Hey guys, welcome once again to another day of fishing. Today we are at the Grand River here today. You know, I have really good memories of this spot here. This right here is the place where I caught my first fish on an artificial lure. First fish on artificial. So yeah, you could say I like this spot. Okay then, reason I'm here, well, two reasons. One, carp. Two, gar. So see if we can get ourselves a gar pike and see if we can catch ourselves a carp. Once we've done that, we can go ahead, relax, and target other stuff like bass and walleye and all those fun things. But first things first, last bottom fishing species that we had was catfish, and I took a big fat 0. So really trying to not let that happen again, because nobody likes a big fat 0. Got some bread, got some worms, got some minnows to catch the gar with. So you could say, we're expecting a good day, but you know how it is with fishing, right? Just really never know what is going to happen. Hopefully the ducks don't come for the bread, because that would be bad. We need bread for the picture. And as it goes with bottom fishing, I will see you guys if I get a bite. In the meantime, I can fix myself a chair here. So yeah, I'll see you guys if I get a bite. So we just had a bite here. I don't know if he's gonna hit again. Whatever it is. I mean, it could very well be a bass, but I don't know. Just see if he'll hit again. So I set the drag on really loose in case there is a bite. Yeah, he'll just pull drag instead of, Am I like casting in the wrong spot? Should I be casting here for carp? That's the thing. Like last time, all the times I've been here, I've never been targeting carp. I've never targeted carp, to be honest, but like here especially, every time I've been here, I've been trying to catch a walleye or even trout. Just never carp. So I'm not exactly 100% sure how this works here. Okay, there's a gar here on my line, and he's taking it, and I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to let him take it, because I've never caught a gar before. I think he let go. Oh, he let go. Should I try setting the hook? Dude, I had one on, and he started taking my line, and then it stopped moving because I let him take it. And then it stopped moving, and I'm like, should I set the hook? What should I do?
It's tricky because if you set the hook when they're taking it, they might not have the hook.
Yeah, I know. Oh man, this is the second gar I've had on and I don't know what to do. The first one, I didn't let him take it enough. This one, he had already, I don't know. First one I set the hook too late. This one I set the, first one I set the hook too early. This one I set the hook too late. I honestly don't know. I need to figure these guys out, man. I will though, I will. Once I catch the first gar and I can feel more or less what, you know, what the hook set's gonna feel like, what everything's gonna feel like, then, you know, we can go from there. Oh, I started recording because I thought I was gonna catch them and I didn't. And my brother just had one on too. And he set the hook too soon. I set mine too late. So finicky. Dude! You have him? Is it? Oh! There you go, buddy.
Wow.
He came up for that, eh? That's hilarious. Well, that's what happens when we're fishing for gar. We catch catfish. Wow, dude. Hey, at least you didn't get a skunk. That's like a pretty nice size one. Those things are so slimy.
Oh, I thought I had a gar, dude.
Wow, dude.
At least I'm fighting.
Yeah, they do fight, eh? Dude, something just bit me there too. Maybe it was another catfish. I don't even know if I got a good shot of the catfish. Okay, Mr. Garpike, where is you? Where is you? Show yourself. Show yourself. Okay, so they told me when he bites, just let him, leave him. And they said when you're about to set the hook, just leave him a bit more, they said. Let's see if that actually works. I think he's got it. Like my bobber's moving a little bit. Dude! Oh! Didn't you hear my reel? Like I said, these things are finicky, but at the same time, I think that's what makes it exciting. See, there's a bite. There's a bite right now. He just took my bobber under. Dude, one just has my bobber under right now. See my line? Oh no, this time I got him. Yeah. Please don't be a catfish. Please don't be a catfish. No, yes! Yes, 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 yes. Let's yeah, wait. I just need a picture with him, dude. That's all. That's all I need, my dude. Yes, yes, I got him on video. Wow, those things start wriggling and there's no controlling them. Whew. Got my gar, got my gar. Dude, now I need a muskie. You down? Really? 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 Wow, look at the size of this crappie, dude. Check out that, guys. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he goes. I've got one on right now. Fish on, fish on. Oh no. Ah. Another crop. There you go, boys. Another little crappie. I believe this is a white crappie. You go, little buddy. Dude, I got a bite. I'm just wondering if it's another crappie. I'm about to set the hook on this thing. I don't know what it is. Another crappie. Oh no! A little tiny gar, dude. Little guy, dude. Yeah! I got another one. Dude, they swim so awesome though. You ever heard of walking the dog? This is me walking my gar over to my bag where my scissors are. So first I couldn't catch my gar, now I got two. Can you believe that? And two crappies. Okay. And you are free to go, my friend. Oh, look at him go. Rides into the sunset. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? Well, folks, I don't know how much more action we're gonna get, and I don't know how much quality after video quality I'm gonna get after this. So let's just go ahead and leave it at this and say till next time when we're targeting something different. I still have to catch a carp, so that might be a video that's coming too, is carp video. But yeah, that's a tough one. Carp is a tough one. You know what? I think I've got another bite on. I've got another fish on. I've got another fish on. Another fish on! Okay, I'm gonna set the hook now. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh my goodness. Oh no, 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 no. Wow, this guy's pretty. 3 gar! Yeah! Check him out. This one's pretty. Look at this thing. Look at these colors, man. Wow. There you go, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy, look at this. Look at this guy, man. Look at him. This guy is so pretty. Amazing. Look at that tail. I don't know if I'm getting that. It's amazing. Okay, buddy. Off you go now.